Welcome to AGE, Audio Guide Europe, an application which will introduce you to as many as 36 European cities and their attractions, also thanks to our virtual guide. Downloading the app and its content takes up to 3 or 5 minutes, and you will receive your content in 6 different languages: English, Chinese, Russian, French, German, and Serbian. After downloading the app, you will be able to use it completely offline without using the internet while in roaming. The first option within the app lets you experience each individual tourist attraction of a city, while the attractions are sorted out starting from the closest one to your current location. The second option lets you use the map, including viewing your current position and the location of every attraction. The third option is the so-called expanded or augmented reality, which takes you to your wanted destination via guide. The fourth option contains a brief history and info about every attraction of every city: population, geographical data, economy, culture, sports info, etc. Here you can look up the best recommendations about your accommodation, restaurants, and night bars, best rated by other app users. Enjoy your trip with many options our app can provide.